Good evening students, welcome to my channel Biozone. So in this class we'll discuss about the characteristic features of entomophilous flowers. In the last class we have discussed the characteristic features of anemophilous flowers. Let us start with the first character. You know that pollination which occurs by insect is called entomophily, and so these are the characteristic features of entomophilous flowers. So flowers are large, colorful, fragrant and rich in nectar. You know that insects are the biotic agents, and naturally so they are attracted towards the flowers because of their bright colored petals, and so they are very attractive, and they are fragrant and rich in nectar. Second, when the flowers are small, so those small flowers are clustered so as to form an inflorescence and make the flowers conspicuous. So for this reason, the small flowers, if produced by the plants, so they are clustered to form an inflorescence. Next, they secrete a foul odor to attract the insects like flies and beetles, and this is observed in a plant by name arum. These flowers provide floral rewards for visiting insects, and they are nectar and pollen. So nectar and pollen are called as floral rewards. To sustain the animal visits, the flowers, they have to provide these floral rewards. Next, pollen grains of these flowers are sticky in nature. Remember the flowers, entomophilous flowers pollen grains are sticky in nature. Next, floral rewards. Just now I told you about nectar and pollen. So these floral rewards are in providing the safe places to lay eggs. So this is observed in Amorphophilous flower, and one more example which is mentioned in NCERT book, that is yucca plant. Yucca plant. The insects, when they visit the flowers, they are going to lay the eggs, and along with that, so they carry the pollen grains. Means pollination is carried out by those insects. Next, the pollen grains are surrounded by a yellow oily substance, so that is called as pollen kit. Pollen kit. So the presence of this pollen kit is a characteristic feature of entomophilous flowers. Remember students? So pollen kit is nothing but a yellow oily substance. Next, some plants like rosa produces edible pollen grains. So for these pollen grains, edible pollen grains, the insects often visit the plants, and some flowers also have nectar guides. Remember, nectar guides means these guides are nectar guides. They show the pathway for the insect, and the insect easily reach those areas where the pollen grains are located. So these are all the important characteristic features of entomophilous flowers. In the next class, we will discuss the special mechanism of pollination which is observed in hydrophytes like Vallisneria and Zostera.